This video is going to show you how to make cream filling. So first we have 2 1/4 cups of shortening. I use Crisco. You need 1 cup of cold water. And you'll need 3 cups of confectioner's sugar. Put that in. And also 1/2 cup of dry milk, the powdered milk. 1 cup of that. Then we're going to cream all this together. Once you mix all that together on medium speed for about 10 minutes, you'll get a nice fluffy cream filling, the kind that you see in cupcakes at the grocery store, that kind of cream filling. Now, once your first initial ingredients have been whipped together, then we're going to add 3 more cups of confectioner's sugar to our mix. So that's a total of 6 cups of confectioner's sugar. Then we're going to just turn it on low, let that mix in a little bit. Then we're going to turn it on high, medium high. Just gradually turn it up. We're going to mix it for 10 minutes so the icing's nice and fluffy. On about that speed right there for 10 minutes. So you see all the icing coming to peaks. You want it nice and fluffy. Your cream filling should be nice and fluffy after 10 minutes. See how it looks like a mountain of filling? This cream filling you can use in cupcakes, or you can use it as icing on cake, filling in donuts. It's very good. So hope you enjoy my recipe for cream filling, and like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.